This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about decanters, specifically this BordeauxWare Wine Decanter. It's a 50-ounce glass, large, slanted wine decanter. It has an 8 3/4 inch diameter at the base, and it's 10 1/4 inches high. It's made from hand-blown crystal, which is what gives it that crystal clear finish that really shows off the color of your wines. It has a lovely, attractive shape that's both stylish and also feels organic and very natural. It's got this excellent wide bowl for a really nice, stable feel. And it also has this long, tapered neck, which means it's going to be easy to grab and handle while pouring. You can see it's also got this lovely slanted top to it, which is going to give you a nice drip-free pour. So this is perfect for restaurants, bars, wine rooms, or just for serving and decanting wine in your own home.